Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In 2015, two daycare employers in New Jersey were imprisoned for running a toddler fight club among a dozen boys and girls aged 4 to 6. Don't argue with people online. Negative interactions on social media are linked to significantly higher feelings of loneliness. Black dog turns completely white over 2.5 years due to rare genetic condition. The term bonsai refers to the practice of growing and training trees to remain small through careful pruning and shaping regardless of the species of tree used. When traveling high in the sky, the cabin humidity drops by approximately 15%. With less humidity in your throat, the transport of smell and taste to the brain slows. For some people, math can be physically painful. When you look at your tongue first thing in the morning, it is covered in white stuff. These are cells that died during the night. A man in China won 365 days of paid leave at his company's annual dinner. In order to prevent food from freezing, Eskimos need refrigerators to keep it from getting too cold. Elon Musk did not like his kids' school, so he just opened his own. Orangutans can only be found in Indonesia, more specifically on the islands Borneo and Sumatra. Psychologists from Korea said that when a person wakes up from coma, there is a 90% chance that they will be able to see ghosts, UFOs, monsters, and other paranormal creatures everywhere. Small as they may be, ladybugs have a unique smell that humans are incredibly sensitive to. Amazon's largest warehouse is already 1 million square feet, which is about 17 NFL football ground in size. Women find bald men more attractive, confident, and dominant according to a study. In 1939, Ernest Wright published Gatsby, a 50,000-word novel that did not contain a single letter E. If woodpeckers are hungry enough, they will peck the back of other birds' heads and eat their brains. License plates are older than cars. They were first used as far back as 1783 to identify the owners of horse-drawn carriages. The human eye blinks an average of 42 lakh times a year. High resolution image of Jupiter ever using technique called Lucky Image. NYC has the highest concentration of nesting peregrine falcons in the world. Taking vitamin B6 supplements can help you to remember your dreams more clearly. The average human scalp has 100,000 hairs. People with darker skin are less likely to get melanoma but are more likely to die from it. The word unfriend was first used in 1659. Prohibition agent is the Einstein trick. Speakeasies into letting him in by jokingly asking, "Would you like to sell a pint of whiskey to a deserving prohibition agent?" Titoni birds die after being touched. This is how dentistry was done at home in the 1920s. In 2017, social robot Sophia was given citizenship by Saudi Arabia, the first robot to be given legal personhood anywhere in the world. Sneakers looking a little worn, place some white non-gel toothpaste and an old toothbrush. Scrub it into the dirty spots, leave it for 10 minutes and wipe away, they will look good as new. In October of 1994, Pulp Fiction, Forrest Gump, The Shawshank Redemption, and Jurassic Park were all in theaters at the same time. Your meanest friend may be the one who loves you the most. Studies show people who make others experience negative emotions believe the impact of those emotions will benefit them in the long run. When it comes to close friends, those who are harsh and honest probably just want what's best for you. Want to prolong the life of your herbs? Fill an ice cube tray with some olive oil, pop in some herbs, and place it in the freezer. Now you can toss one in whenever you need them for cooking, and they will last 10 times longer. In 1942, Chinese sailor Kun Lin found himself alone on a life raft without any means of propulsion, drifting aimlessly at sea. He survived for 133 days at sea before being rescued. The average daily amount of sleep needed by age is newborns 14 to 17 hours, infants 12 to 16 hours, young children 10 to 14 hours, school age children 9 to 12 hours, teenagers 8 to 10 hours, adults 7 to 9 hours. A new study has found that people get angry or grumpy in warm weather as stress hormones may rise in tandem with the thermometer. Gawar फली की सब्जी is rich in vitamin C, folic acid, calcium, phosphorus, fiber, perfect for weight loss, diabetics and heart also. World's top 5 largest stadiums. Sardar Patel Stadium, Melbourne Cricket Ground, Eden Gardens, Shaheed Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium, Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium. Thanks for watching.